Okay, tech recruiters, imagine tapping into a language that powers the heartbeat of the Microsoft ecosystem. Welcome to C#, the Microsoft Maestro. So if you're recruiting for software developers and C# is your specialty, stick around. This is the session that you need and it will help you towards your next big placement. I'm the digital twin of Ayub Sheikh with all the knowledge, passion, and dare I say charisma of Ayub himself. And I take over when Ayub is out busy delivering live seminars and speaking about technology around the world. We're going to dive into the body of the session now, but just before we do that, do make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel because it is going to be your main resource if you're a tech recruiter. This is going to be your guiding light as a tech recruiter because it's going to have everything you need to make sure that your career is going in the right direction. If you are serious about your tech recruitment career, however, you do need to make sure that you watch the free IT Recruitment Masterclass intro webinar. This has got everything in a structured way, a full webinar to take you through the landscape of IT recruitment from A to Z and tell you exactly how to play this game. It's free. The link is below in the description. What are you waiting for? Sign up for that and then we'll dive into this session. Let's go. Under the visionary guidance of Anders Hejlsberg, C# revolutionized programming with its modern object-oriented design, seamlessly integrating with the .NET framework. So C# is the language, .NET is the framework. In this next session, we're going to discover how C# transforms coding into an art form. It fuses robust type safety, automatic memory management, and powerful support to create a playground for innovation for developers. From crafting Windows desktop applications and dynamic web solutions with ASP.NET to driving immersive video games through Unity and enabling cross-platform mobile development with Xamarin. C# is the versatile workhorse that fuels enterprise-grade technology. As companies seek out these coding virtuosos, C# experts command premium salaries and freelance rates, making them the golden ticket in your recruitment strategy. So imagine this, it's the late 1990s and Microsoft is developing its .NET framework. Anders Hejlsberg, the architect behind Turbo Pascal and Delphi, leads the team that creates C#. It was designed to be a modern, object-oriented language that could take full advantage of the .NET platform. The first version was released in 2000. It was like a new star was born in the world of programming languages. A fun fact here, C# of course looks like it's inspired by the musical notation C#, but actually in programming, the plus sign is a really important sign. It denotes object-oriented development. And so the four pluses joined together are representative of C# being a very object-oriented language, which means that it's actually very reusable. Now we'll come on to that in another session if you don't understand what object-oriented development is. But for now, C# is a language that encompasses the whole idea of object-oriented development, and it is represented in the name. What makes C# a top choice for many developers is that its close integration with the .NET ecosystem is the key advantage for C#. It's designed to work seamlessly with Windows, ASP.NET, and other Microsoft technologies, giving it a clear edge for any of your clients who have a Microsoft platform, which of course, let's face it, is the majority of maybe your clients in many sectors. So let's talk about these frameworks and libraries. C#, as I said, benefits from its complete tie-in with the .NET framework, which provides a vast array of libraries and tools within that framework. That is what a framework is in programming. It is effectively a toolbox full of libraries and other tools. ASP.NET, within that toolbox, is used for building web applications. Unity, another tool within that kit, is the leading game engine for C#. Xamarin is used for cross-platform mobile development. An entity framework simplifies database interactions as well. So the .NET ecosystem provides everything a C# developer needs for most scenarios. Let's talk about money. C# developers are in high demand. It's one of the most popular languages in the world, particularly in companies that rely on the Microsoft ecosystem. Now, in the US, for example, the average C# developer earns between $95,000 and $125,000 per year. Contract or freelance rates range from $55 to $140 per hour. It depends on the developer's experience, the project requirement, and actually very often the industry sector that you're working in as well. Remember, Tech Recruiter's C# skills are obviously essential for companies that rely on Microsoft technologies or the Microsoft ecosystem. So you need to seek out these C# experts, and of course, when you place them, they are contributing to cutting-edge projects. Mastering all of these insights is not just about keeping pace with change, it's about leading the charge to unparalleled success as a recruiter within the software development arena. Now, I've got to mention at this stage that if you're recruiting for this or any other technology as a tech recruiter, one of the most invaluable things that you can have in front of you when you speak to candidates like this is a mind map to firstly help understand their duties and the interview questions that are going to be incisive and pertinent when you're speaking to these people. Now, believe it or not, we have over 1,000 of these mind maps for the people who come onto our IT Recruitment Academy. But if you would like this one for free, relevant to this particular technology, then just reach out to me via LinkedIn. All you need to do is connect with me and just ask for the mind map for this particular role, and we will get that across to you free of charge. That's it for this session. You need to move on to the next in the series, but of course, before you do that, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also don't forget to jump onto the free webinar for tech recruiters. The link is in the description below. Until next time, see you very soon.